The pulping channel for the UDC 4000 Katuai, UDC 7500 Bourbon, and UDC 15000 Geisha equipment has evolved. We present you Novaflex, the new technology in Penagos pulping channel with high flexibility and greater durability. This pulping channel was designed to optimize the pulping process for your washing station, because we know that the harvest is changing and needs technology that adapts to it. That is why you no longer have to change the pulping channel depending on the size and ripeness of the coffee beans. The Novaflex technology adjusts to your processing needs. How to replace all pulping channels with Novaflex technology and perform calibration of these new pulping channels? Tools: 2 9/16 by 1/2 inch combination wrenches, a caliber or 0.9 mm calibration gauge, a hammer. Before starting, make sure the cylinder turns easily. To do this, open the safety guard and release the straps. To make the change, it is important to release one by one. Never remove all the pulping channels at the same time. This guarantees that the concentricity of the frame bottom is not lost. First, unscrew the nuts and bolts connecting the pulping channel to the star base and the frame using a 9/16 by 1/2 inch wrench. Second, remove the old pulping channel to replace it with the new Novaflex. Check that the pulping channel is firmly attached to the cylinder. Then, with the washer-type plates, install the screws that hold the pulping channel but do not secure them. Take the hammer and give a light tap to adjust the strainer. Third, take the 20 gauge and place it between the pulping channel and the grater sleeve, both on the pulping channel lip and on the back side of the pulping channel. Note: if the 20 gauge gauge is too tight when entering, loosen the lower screw that adjusts the pulping channel to the star base and separate it using a hammer. Using the gauge, recheck the calibration. Note: if the 20 gauge feel loose when entering, loosen the lower screw that adjusts the pulping channel to the base star and gently tap it to bring it closer to the cylinder. Using the gauge, recheck the calibration. Fourth, once the pulping channel is calibrated, tighten the pulping channel screws with the 9/16 inch key. Make sure the screws are tightly tightened. Verify once again that the distance between the pulping channel and the grater sleeve is equal all around the circumference. Fifth, to check that the cylinder does not heat or rub, turn it into the opposite direction to the clock hands. Repeat the steps mentioned above for each of the pulping channels to be replaced.